So there's this pop-up that comes onto my screen every 10 minutes every single day, but it only happens on this user account. It doesn't happen on the other one. And I finally figured out how to fix it, and I'll show you the solution. It should pop up any second now, but I'll show you how it looks. I got a screenshot of it. Microsoft.NET Framework Assembly Registration Utility. This is what pops up every 10 minutes. And it should be happening any second now. It's hard to see. It disappears before you can read it. That's why I have it screenshotted here. But essentially how you fix it is you go to Task Scheduler. You could search that up. Open that. And when you're on here, you look at when, maybe make a list of when the pop-up happens. For me, it's on like every 10 minutes, so at 6:30, 6:40, 6:50. So I could check when the last trigger time was at 6:30, what event it was on here. So there's only one at 6:30. And when you double click it, it shows you all the details. So Firefox default browser agent is what's causing this issue. I don't even have Firefox, so I think this is a virus. But the point is how to fix it. So you go to triggers, and then you see here, when you double click this, it repeats this trigger every 10 minutes indefinitely. And it only happens on a specific account. So how you stop it is you just click this check mark for enabled. That disables that. You could make sure both of these are disabled too. And then you click OK. And now it's done. Now it's not going to trigger anymore. Just to be safe though, when you click it on here, sometimes there's an option to enable and disable. So just disable it with this button, and then you shouldn't have a problem anymore. It took me forever to figure that out, but hopefully I was able to help you.